Welcome to Fun-Keys for Kids, piano and music lessons.
Hey guys, it's Lucy here from Fun-Keys. Today we're going to be continuing with Mission Impossible and we're going to be looking at the right hand. If you haven't already watched last week's video which talks about the features of this song, please go and do that now because it'll be super duper helpful because we're going to get straight into learning the right hand melody. So we already know we're in 5/4. We have two flats which are B flat and E flat. So the first note we are going to play is that B flat right up at the top. And if you're not sure where to start, you need to be 2 octaves above middle C. So middle C is all the way down here and we're going to go up to the next C, up to the next C, and then we're going to go down to the B flat below that. So that's where you should be starting. So we're going to start on B flat, then we go down to G, then we go down to D. We're going to do the same thing again, but at the bottom, we're going to change the D to a D flat. So we're going to do B flat, G, D flat. Same again, but we're going to change the D flat to a C. B flat, G, C. And then we're going to go down from this C to this B flat here and go back up to C. So if we put that all together, it goes B flat, G, D. B flat, G, D flat, B flat, G, C, B flat, C. Okay? So the rhythm for this is we play the B flat and G very super duper quickly because it's 2 quavers, so we go, and then we hold each of those sustained notes for 4 beats each. So remember it's 5/4, so we've got that extra beat in there, and that extra beat is the B flat, G. So it goes 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And then the B flat and C are 2 quavers again. And then we have 4 beats rest. Okay, let's put that all together after 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. There you go. Okay, so that's the first section, which that rhythm actually repeats a lot. We just changed the notes. So now we've got that rhythm, we'll understand the next sections after the one we're going to look at now. So the next bit, which actually crops up a lot in the left hand, is, which you may recognise is a very iconic part of the theme. So we're going to go back up to where we were, the G in the B flat and G. We're going to start there, and we're going to play 2 of those. Then we're going to go up to B flat, and then up to C. Then we're going to go back down to G, down to F, and then up to F sharp. Okay? So G, G, B flat, C, G, G, F, F sharp. Okay? And the rhythm for that is da, 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 da. So the same thing twice. So we put that with the rhythm, it goes after 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Let's try it all the way from the beginning up to where we've just learnt. Okay, are we ready? After 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. There we go. Okay, and the final section, we're going to learn that now, which is the same rhythm again as we've got some different notes. So let's learn that new section then. So we have the same rhythm as but we're starting on a different note this time. So we're going to start on E flat here. We're going to go down to C, down to G. Then we're going to do the same again. E flat, C, down to F sharp. Same again, E flat, C, down to F. And then we're going to go down to this E flat here, which you can just see on my camera. E flat, back up to F. So E flat, F. Okay? And that's what we're going to learn up to. So if we put that with the previous section, it goes like this. After 5, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. go. Okay, let's now put it all the way through from the beginning up to there, and then we have learnt our right hand melody. So from the beginning, are we ready? After 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Yeah, there we go. How did you do? Did you manage to do it? Don't worry if not. Remember, you can always pause the video, rewind, you can slow it down, work on it in your own time until you can match it to the speed I just played it at. Great stuff, guys, though. Congratulations, you've learned the right hand of Mission Impossible. So, thank you very much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like this video, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. If you didn't enjoy it, let us know in the comments too. We will have a part 2 coming out very, very shortly for you guys, and also looking at the left hand and how to put the right hand and left hand together. See you soon, guys. Happy practicing.
Want to teach your kids piano and music at home? Well, you can. Buy our funky splash cards for nursery kids and for school kids. You can also join one of our courses if you check out our website. Follow us on social media. We're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn.